Lovely, say hi. I like your ribbon. So Lovely, say hi to my subscribers. Say hi to my subscribers. This is amazing. So guys, Lovely is in the car. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for coming to my channel. It's been a while I showed my face here, and it really sounds strange as I'm saying you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming by. It sounds strange. It has been reviews, vlogs and all that for over 2 months. I have not done a sit down video, and amazingly today we have a special guest in person of Lovely,
aka Loving Touche.
Guys, you know who is talking behind the camera?
aka Loving Touche.
Oh my god. So guys, this is Lovely. I'm introducing Lovely to you. Lovely is our special guest, and expect Lovely to be a regular guest on this channel. Lovely is a very sweet dog. Are you camera shy? Lovely, lift your face. Are you camera shy? Come on. Come on. Alright, sorry. Let me leave you. Alright, keep your ribbon well.
Please,
as you can see, Lovely is a girl, or will I say is a female dog. And you can see how cute she's looking. I had to put her own ribbon for her. So guys, today is Lovely's day. So, but don't be surprised. Lovely is not just a dog to stay one place. It will be jumping up and down in this video. You see what I told you? So just get used to it, guys. Lovely is not the type that will just sit and I be talking. No, Lovely likes being very active. Lovely is very friendly. Can you imagine? Guys, can you imagine? Lovely, I'll beat you. So guys, like I was saying, I'm doing this video because it's been a while. I wanted to introduce Lovely here, and apart from introducing Lovely here, I've always known that Lovely will make a good guest on this channel. So that's why I had to do this. And right now you can see Lovely is behaving as if it's calm, but naturally it's not that calm. And I don't know why the ribbon looks like eyeglass on the face. It should have been more like a girly ribbon. But guys, bear with us. So Lovely, say hi to my subscribers. Say hi to my subscribers. So guys, Lovely is saying hi. You know it won't talk as a human being. So guys, Lovely has not been feeling fine these days. It has been, will I say, having stomach issues, and I've been so worried. Sorry if the body's looking kind of wet. It just had its bath. Sorry guys, I'll be using it. I'm used to it. A friend of mine told me to stop using it. I should be using she. But guys, I'm used to using it. So I'm sorry. Sometimes I may use it, sometimes I may use she. For those of you that like using human pronouns for your pets, I'm sorry if you feel offended. I'm using it for Lovely. So guys, Lovely has not been feeling so fine. So, and I was so worried. We've called the vet doctor that came and placed it on injections, and guys, it's like it's not improving right now. The state when it goes, like the feces are just looking very pale, whitish, and it makes me very worried. So we've already booked an appointment with the vet doctor again. Hopefully tomorrow the vet doctor will come and I think, is it evacuate the stomach or something like that. But then, before then, we decided to do this video. And I'm surprised Lovely is calm, guys. This is unusual. I don't think it's a calm dog. Lovely is not usually calm. Sometimes if it's even calm like this, it means that it's not feeling fine. Lovely, say hi. I like your ribbon. Oh my goodness, Lovely, your ribbon is shifting one side. Guys, this ribbon, I bought this ribbon for Lovely when Lovely was just Lovely sitting like a girl. Lovely, where's your ribbon? Guys, can you imagine? I don't know how this ribbon left the end. But you guys, did you guys see when it left? Lovely, I'll beat you. Mind yourself. Hey, stay, let me put this thing for you. I'll beat you. What this ribbon means? It's making you look girly. So guys, Baraka is on the steering. Lovely, Lovely. Your mouth is not yet very dry, but sorry. You just have to go on this, okay? Yes, guys, so now we are on transit. Now we are going somewhere. We are actually going to do something, and I'm with Lovely. So, guys, very soon you are going to see more of Lovely. So, guys, what do you think about Lovely? Lovely is okay. Let me remove this ribbon so that you see Lovely's face well. So, Lovely, take your face up. Take your face. Show them your face. Show them what a beautiful girl you are. I see the vehicle. Sorry that the camera is shaking. You know we are in Nigeria. The roads are rough, so that is why you can see the camera shaking like this. So, guys, this is me and Lovely. Lovely, say hi. Say hi to my subscribers. We are almost at our destination, guys. This is amazing. So, guys, Lovely is in the car. Lovely was turning and the whole jeez, like, oh my god. Oh. So, guys,
listen, if
I'm
you say
about to
you are
bring
a
Lovely
dog,
here.
if you say you are a dog lover, you shouldn't be doing this thing.
So, guys, I'm about to come over with
Anti-everything, so
Lovely.
it's a nice dog.
So, expect to see Lovely now. Shaking.
Safri does not come out here.
So, guys, you might have seen this background before in one of my live videos. Last time I did live videos, yeah? Okay, I'm not showing, right?
I'm showing you.
Is this what you be doing in this video? That's you?
One day we'll cut alone.
I thought you came to give moral support.
I have moral support, but make you share beside it. Oh, na. Only I the mama no bu oge niile. Hey, Ibiano. Hey.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Don't delete
It's okay.
anything from this. That's what to make it fun.
Which fun?
This
Lovely,
thing I
stay.
did
Don't
now.
come down. Okay, guys. As I was saying, this is Lovely.
Lovely face.
We are just having time. Lovely, sit down now. We're having
Lovely
time.
sit.
And Lovely is not
Sit.
used to this environment, so you can see how Lovely
sit.
is behaving. So, guys, we decided to bring Lovely out. Okay, let me tell you guys what has been happening. This year, in short, will I say since last year, I've not been having enough time for Lovely. Seriously. Had it been Lovely was a human being, Lovely will not be talking to me now because
Lovely is a sanguine.
okay, guys, do you know about temperament?
Dogs.
Lovely's love language is physical touch.
Yes.
Quality time. And I don't know whether it needs words of affirmation since it doesn't hear human language. But then I'm very sure Lovely's love language is physical touch.
Exactly.
Do you know that sometimes to be touching Lovely, you see tears in the eyes?
Be crying.
And especially if you have
Telling
not
you
touched
you
it
have
for
not
long.
touched me for long. You left me here.
Hey, guys. Look at her.
She will lock this dog up in the cage. 1 month, 2 months. She has
Lovely,
not brought
is it
out.
true? So, guys, Lovely's love language is physical touch and quality time.
Yes.
Lovely likes spending time with people and it loves people. Lovely is so happy whenever it's around people.
That's why it is called Lovely.
Yes, that was why I named it Lovely. It was when Lovely was very small that I called it Lovely because it was such a lovely dog. The first day we met, it was like we've known each other for ages.
Eh? What is your... it's too close for comfort. It's psychological space.
They are seeing you. They are black. Okay, guys. Lovely understands English to an extent. And though it's not too much, but let me try. Let it not fall my hand. Lovely. Understands Lovely. So, guys, see Lovely. This sun is reflecting on Lovely's eye. So maybe let's look for a better location. Lovely. So the sun is reflecting. You're in my video. tiring. The sun is on my face. Lovely wants to come down, but I don't want Lovely to come down because Lovely had its back today, fresh from the bedroom. Eh? If it comes down, it's dirty itself. It may pick insects here, and I don't want it. I don't want it. Pick your head up. This is Lovely, and this is me. Lovely is my pet. We've been together for 3 years. 3 years. This August will make it 3 years. Yeah, Lovely is already 3 years old, and I took care of Lovely right from when it was just about 2 months old, or 1 month and some days, and some weeks or days. So I took care of Lovely, and we've been together since then. So I just said, let me introduce Lovely to you people. Maybe you'll be seeing Lovely very often here. Let me walk it. I hope I'm not too bad.
She's carrying it because she took his bath. She doesn't want it to be dirty. Dirty. Yup, yup.
Guys, ants are too many on the road. I don't want Lovely to be. Oh. Hello guys, see the face of who I'm carrying. I didn't see it.
It removed the face.
Hello guys, this is Lovely. Lovely, say hi. Lovely, say hi. Guys, see my entire body is full of Lovely's hair.